What is Stoat Chat and how it works? If you've seen the name Stoat Chat floating around and you're not entirely sure what it is or how it actually works, this breakdown covers everything you need to know in plain language. Stoat Chat is a messaging or AI-assisted chat application that positions itself as a privacy-focused or feature-rich alternative to more mainstream communication platforms. Depending on the version and context you've encountered it in, Stoat Chat may function as a standalone messaging app, an AI-powered conversation tool, or a hybrid of both. The core premise of Stoat Chat centers around giving users a more controlled and potentially more private communication experience. In an era where data privacy concerns around major messaging platforms are growing, the appeal of an alternative that prioritizes user control over data is real and understandable. In terms of how it works, Stoat Chat operates similarly to other modern messaging applications. Users create an account, connect with contacts, or join conversation spaces, and communicate through text and potentially media sharing features. If the AI element is active, the platform may offer smart reply suggestions, conversation summaries, or automated responses depending on how deeply the AI is integrated. The privacy architecture of Stoat Chat, if its claims hold up, involves end-to-end encryption or some form of data minimization that limits how much information the platform retains about its users. However, independently verifying those privacy claims is important because many apps make bold privacy assertions that don't always reflect what is actually happening with user data under the hood. One practical consideration is the user base. Communication platforms live or die on network effects, meaning the app is only as useful as the number of people in your network who are also using it. As a newer or less mainstream platform, Stoat Chat may face the challenge of limited adoption that makes it less practical as a primary communication tool. For users who are privacy conscious and willing to onboard their contacts to a new platform, Stoat Chat may be worth exploring. For everyone else, the practicality barrier is a real consideration. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Stoat Chat addresses a genuine and growing demand for privacy-focused communication tools with a feature set that aims to give users more control over their data. The concept is sound, but the practical value of the platform depends heavily on how well its privacy claims hold up to independent scrutiny and how widely it is adopted among users' existing contacts. Network limitations are a real barrier for any emerging messaging platform regardless of its technical merits. Approach it as a supplementary communication tool while verifying its privacy credentials independently before treating it as a primary platform.